I'm Muigai. Maybe I can open my video. Is that okay? I think I've been following this live TikTok, and I know so many of you knows me. I'm just a quiet lady who doesn't talk too much, but since Juicy, I found myself following Trizah's case. Trizah is my friend. Trizah can confirm that. And we've been talking. Na jana kuna kitu niliweka Facebook. I was just mad and I was feeling bad about everything. And I thought about her and I talked about the healing process. And so many people, seeing a Trizah, you can confirm that I was, thousands of people was telling me, ongea na Trizah, ongea na Trizah, ongea na Trizah, ongea na Trizah, tuna kuamini kwa Trizah. But mi si mtu wa maneno mingi sana. But I was not like that at the beginning. Ni situation tu, ni maodo mathodekaga mũndũ. Na singesema tumeongea na Trizah, na Trizah is my witness that tumekuwa tukiongea. Is that right, mama? We've been talking. So mimi si wale watu wanaendanga social media kusema tumeongea, msiniambie tuongee, tumeongea. Tumekuwa tukiongea na yeye. And I remember sometimes back kuna picha ilipostiwa yake na ya the other woman, and Trizah called me and she told me she want to move out. Trizah si ni ukweli, mimi kuongea uongo. So we talked a lot. Kamwambia usiondoke kwanza. Reason being, I'm here as a victim. I don't talk so much. Esther babu ananijua sana. I don't talk too much, so much, but I know a lot. Na niliambia Trizah 2 words. I'm happy for her right now, and I'm very happy. But the only thing I wanted from her is for her to be strong. Kuna time nilikuwa hapa alafu nikadrop, nikatoka. Todo nie diedete maodo maige na diedete ado mataraiguana. I hope you understand. Sitakangi watu wasikizani. I run away from something that I can't be able to control. So niliondoka nikaona ni kama mambo inashika moto. I'm not a TikToker person. So niliondoka tu. But kuna kitu niliambia Trizah and I want to repeat it. And thank you so much for those who respect me, because maybe of my experience. And I want to say this word to Trizah. Mama, I love you so much. The reason why I'm online at this time of the night, mi si mtu wa TikTok. That is the truth. Mi si mtu wa social media. I'm a public figure, but there is that difference. Kuna difference ya being a social media person and being a public figure. I'm a public figure who is not a social media person. So negora wadudha maodo maigi muno.
Yeah, pole sana.
Jerry, she's okay.
Ngoja sija kujiuliza. Jerry Muigai, hii kesi ni ya Trizah, si ndio?
Yeah.
Lakini wewe uko emotional kushinda Trizah, si ndio? Vumilia.
Yeah. I'm just feeling her pain because I've
been there. Yes, yeah, Trizah mwenyewe ali lakini wanalia. Tulia, mom.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tulia kabisa.
Thanks. You know.
Thank you. Tulia kabisa, tulia.
It's triggering.
Endelea.
Probably it's triggering.
Tulia. Huwezi kuwa mazishi na wenyewe ndio unalia zaidi.
Yeah.
Sisi ndi hapa, twende kazi. Okay. Chukua microphone moja kwa moja. Watu wa mlima.
Thank you.
If triggering something, I'm okay because okay. I know so many people believes in me and they look up to me. Like Trizah, amekuwa akinicall, tumeongea mambo mingi and I just felt for her pain. And Trizah, you are very strong. I've been there and sitaki kusema ati mimi na wewe ndio tumekuwa kwa shida kubwa sana, but there's this difference watu wenye hawaelewi. Kuna mambo mtu upitia in private. So many people here, I can see we are 12K and so many people are going through hell in a lot of pain, but there's difference between going through hell and going through hell publicly. And that is what has been happening to me and Trizah and some other people. It's wrong, very long time before I shed my tears. I'm very sorry about that. I know you know me, guys. But I felt for her, for this lady. And I want to tell her, Trizah, I just want you to be strong. Very, very strong. Now, let me use vernacular as in our language cube. Trizah, thayo umaga thini waku. Na gutire mundu thino ungikuhe thayo. Na niwikite wega, hĩndĩ twaririe when we talked, ndikwambia aje. I told you you can move out. But I don't want you to move out as an empty shell. Todo gutire kindu kiuru. Hakuna kitu mbaya kama utoke mahali lakini you don't know you are stepping stone. What is your next stepping stone? You know what we do as women? We are like we are mad. We want to move out. We want to do this. We want to do this. Trizah, I'm talking to you. We want to do this. I am tired. I don't want this anymore. But the biggest problem is that hatujuangi tunaenda wapi. You just want to step out, but you don't know you're stepping out. Una your stepping stone. And that is what we talked about, mama. Nilikwambia, it is okay to kutoka ni sawa. Ataenda, toka tu, but unatoka ukienda wapi? Kuna mtu aliongea hapa, sijui sikumbuki jina yake. You know me, I'm not a TikToker. Like, sijui alikuwa anaitwa, I can't remember. Kuna jamaa aliongea hapa akakwambia, Trizah, tunaweza kukupea 10 million sahi. But if you don't have a vision, if you don't know who you are, if you don't know what you're supposed to do tomorrow, kesho ama kesho kutwa mama, hatutakuwa hapa. Next week Wednesday, hatutakuwa hapa tukiongea the same story. It is only you. Tukikupea 1 million today, tukikupea 10 million today, unaweza itumia kesho ama kesho kutwa iishe. The only thing, but you can have 1K with you, Trizah, and you made it in life. Because what you need now is your purpose. Do you know your purpose? Jerry, unajua who you are. You are very strong lady. But being strong, do you know your purpose? Okoro heke dokia honokirie. Oko heke dokia na duta thina. Because I've been here. Esther Babuch knows. AC anajua. The Brad wanajua. Every other person knows me. Ni dahanaga Trizah yorona haha. Dahikete githiwo support modo jiguire mothi Trizah kiuga neinaga. I don't know Watu wengi hawajui kama unaibanga, witujui. Ona nini ndainaga, ona nini ndahunjagia, ona nini ndaragia. He maundu ndekaga, but when I got married, as you Trizah, what you did, tugiuka support andu aya. Twa support ire magikura. Tukimatindikithia ngari ya ruruma magikura. Tugitigwo tugikirio ndoro. But wikirio ndoro mamari. What are you left with? Do you have yourself? Trizah, uko na wewe. Todo kama hauko na wewe, if you don't have yourself, my small sister, kama hauko, nimesikia kuona 34 years. 34 years. I think I was married at 20. And at 28, I had 3 kids. Na ndatirwo na miaka 28 ndina ciana ithatu. 28 years. Thank God you are above 30. Ni ndatirwo na miaka 28 ndina ciana ithatu. Na ndioe mbere kana thutha. Ndiamenya kana ni guthii kana mundu athiaga na mbere. Tondu ndio ndoe ndiko najua tu kusupport husband and his vision. Trizah, if you can remember what I told you. Nadio kana wana, maybe you could feel like I'm misleading you, but I was telling you from experience. Nilikwambia mama, it is okay. You can stay, but it is according to your inner you. That is my word for today. Thini waku, urafatara kumenya atiriri, what do you have in you? No tukuhe milioni 10, no tukuhe milioni 8, no tukuhe 100,000. But what do you have, mama?